Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is King Obina. Welcome to my channel once again. So please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to get awesome videos about business, entrepreneur, tech, and how to make money online. Also do software reviews here, so I'll review some softwares and features that I've been able to use to be able to run my online business. So the first one here is Canva. I have some other tutorials here on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description below to some of those videos. We have talked about an overview of Canva, what you can do with Canva, and how to use some of its features. So today basically we're going to talk about how to create logos using Canva. As you can see, I've created some other designs here on Canva. As you can see, it has here your designs. I've created some other beautiful designs here for my blog and my YouTube channel. So please remember as well to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get awesome videos about that. So basically in this video we're going to talk about how to create logo. So if you come here, maybe you've searched all through, you searched there, you didn't see templates you're looking for, you didn't see what you're looking for, you can also make use of the search bar here. And maybe so today we're going to look at logo. So I type in logo, so it's gonna bring out suggestions of different types of logos we want to make. And I would like to tell you as well that this logo will be 500 by 500 pixels. Then if you want that kind of image, can be used for social media and the rest. But if you want something larger, you can come here and click custom templates. So when you click on this custom template, it's going to ask you to write in the template you want to write. So maybe I said maybe I'm creating a logo for a website. I can use something larger, something like 3000 by 3000 pixel, and press new design. It's going to bring out all the templates that has that amount, that kind of amount of width and height. So as you can see, some of these templates here, they are 3000 by 3000 pixels. So you can choose any one of them to create your logo. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using their normal 500 by 500 pixel to create this logo. So I'll click on logo. It's gonna bring out so many templates for us to use here to be able to create our logo. And you can see most of these templates are all free. Most of them are free, some are paid. So first thing, we're going to be using the free version. So we'll come here and click on black canvas. So after clicking on that, it's going to bring us to this canvas. So what we're going to do is we are going to choose a template. So I'm going to scroll down now to choose a template to use. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use these templates. So I've clicked on it and it brings it directly to this place. So first thing first, I want to change the name. So let's say King Obina. So I've changed the name. Let me say I don't need this, I'll just delete it. So you can see we've created this and it's looking all set up. So I like to create multiple versions of my logo so I could be able to use them for what I really want to use them for. So I'll create a new page here, a brand new page to be able to use. So I'm going to go to elements. So let's say I want to add this element here. So it's created this, okay, brought it to different modules. So I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to use this. So I love this flower. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So paste it in the middle. So next thing I want to add is text. Let me see, I want to add this text. So I've added the text. Let's change the color. Let's maintain this brown color here. So we've added the color. So now place it in the right place right now. So it's at the right place right now. You can see the logo is looking very beautiful. So now I'm going to create the last version of this logo. So I'll go back to elements. I'll add this element here, make it a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to add text, another text. And change the brand color. Keep maintaining the brand color we are using here. So drag this to the middle. So it's at the middle. So now you can see we have 3 versions of our logo. So now these 3 versions, I'm gonna probably choose one. I can't use the 3 of them, or you could use the 3 of them depending on what design or what purpose you're using this logo from. But the best thing to know is that you are able to create this logo for free using this Canva platform. As you can see, I'm still using the free plan. I'll probably gonna upgrade very soon, so I'll leave a link in the description showing you some other features of Canva, so you probably want to check that out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe as well to see some other new videos I'm going to drop about this wonderful platform. So probably we are through with this design. Let's say okay, I love this one. This one is looking all nice and set up. Let's say I'm gonna delete this. I'm also gonna delete this, so which I have only this one left. So now I want to tell you something. Because we're still using the free version of Canva, if we download this logo now, it's gonna have this background. Now imagine when maybe you want to upload this to a website, and your website is maybe you're having a blue background in your website, and you now paste the logo having this red background. It's not gonna make it look very beautiful. So you need to download this image as a PNG file. Now when you click on download, you see that it suggested that we should download this as a PNG. But when we actually download it, downloading as a PNG is removing the background of this image. That means we have only this logo, this icon, and this name there, while this other background will be transparent. So but we have to pay Canva for us to be able to download this image without the background. So I'm going to show you a website where you can actually, after downloading this image, maybe you've created the logo, you love the logo, you download it, then I'll show you a website where you can also remove this background as well, so that you can be able to use this logo and use the PNG version, that is, use the transparent version. So let's go ahead and download this logo now into our computer. So I'm going to wait for it to download. So as you can see, it's telling us to try the free the pro version for a couple of days, which I'm not going to try now. Probably do that in the future. So it's downloaded already. So the website where you can remove this background is called Removebg. So Removebg is the website which we are going to use to remove the background. For what you want to click here is you want to upload this image, this logo we have created on Canva. We want to upload it here. So as you can see, it's going to upload the image. This is the image, and now it's going to remove the background. It's going to remove the background of the image. So if you don't like what it did, you can really edit it. You can actually edit it and you know, to your taste. So let's say probably I'm okay with what actually so I'm going to download this image again. So I'm going to show you these two images right now. So this is the first one. So I'm going to show you these two images right now. So this is the first one we just downloaded from Canva directly with the background. And this is the one we just downloaded without the background. Let me show you the one we just downloaded without the background. Okay, I can't find it right now. But basically this is the one we downloaded with the background. So you can see the logo is on our computer directly. So let me go back here. Let me ask Arabia. Let me upload a new image. So I'm kind of looking for the image we just downloaded without the background right now. Okay, I've seen it. So this is the image. Now this is the logo we just downloaded without the background. So as you can see how beautiful it is. It's no more having that red background, so it's maintained any background it's being laid upon. As you can see, this background is black and this logo fits in directly into the background, as you can see. So you can see that you can actually create wonderful logos on Canva even using the free version without even paying, which I will advise you to pay as well. I'm going to pay very soon to start using the pro version. But even if you don't have money to pay as well, for now you can actually create beautiful logos on Canva and use Removebg to actually remove the background and overlay this logo onto any website or onto any design which you want. So I believe you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be doing lots of other tutorials about so many topics: how to make money online, freelancing, Canva, and how to use so many other different softwares and tech. So thank you for watching, and make sure you come back for more, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So see you next time. Thanks for watching.